Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. I'm sure most of you are well aware that Calne is famous for the Wiltshire Cure and the Harris Bacon factory that resided here until the mid-1980s. The Harris family started trading in Calne in 1770, operating various shops over the years until they merged to form C&T Harris in 1888. Today, I just wanted to show you a couple of really interesting items that we have from the Harris factories. We're very fortunate to have 4 of these Corbels from the Harris buildings at the Heritage Centre. You may have also noticed them embedded in the wall at Chavywell Spring, which is part of Castlefields Park. Thanks for watching this video, and just remember, while we're still closed, you can contact us on Facebook and we can still answer any local history questions that you have. I look forward to hearing from you and see you in the next video.